Okay, all right, here we go. Can everyone see my phone? Yes, awesome. Okay, so here is Robinhood, right? Let me just put focus mode. So took all my money out because I don't use Robinhood no more for many reasons. But it's a great platform to start on, okay? But it would show you, just like this, if you've never used Robinhood before, it shows you how much money you have invested in your portfolio. You can create watch lists all across the screen. So I had loads of watch lists that I had when I was trading on Robinhood during COVID. So I had stocks that I thought benefited from COVID or fell during COVID and were in recovery. I had stay-at-home stocks. As you can see, my first watch list